Hey guys, I'm Vaibhav and welcome to Auto and Explore. Today's video is going to be interesting, going to be different or nonsense or unbelievable, because the car which we are going to talk about is also unbelievable. I mean, the price is just out of imagination. You can't even imagine that yes, there will be a car that is priced 208 crore. Yes, we are talking about the Rolls Royce BoatTail, which is launched recently and it is priced at 28 million pounds. If you convert it into INR, it will be 208 crore excluding taxes. And in India, you know what are the taxes for luxury vehicles. The price of Ford Mustang in USA is something around 24 or 230 lakhs, but in India the price goes up to 1 crore or 80 lakhs. So you can compare. If you compare to the BoatTail, the price may go to 300 crore or 400 crore, but let's see who will buy in India. So in this video, I'm not going to explain all the details about BoatTail because you need a good research about the vehicle, because the vehicle is very supreme or superior. So I have to do a lot of research. But in today's video, we are just going to compare the price, and at that price which cars you can buy. So this video is going to be nonsense and interesting. You are going to enjoy it. So I will start the video. First of all, I think in very different ways and I like to make videos very differently. So when I saw the price 208 crore, an idea blinked in my mind that we should make a video in which we'll compare all the cars and how many cars you can buy in 208 crore. First we'll talk about the Lamborghini Huracan, which is available at 3.5 crore in India. So you can buy up to 59 Lamborghini Huracans in 208 crore, or you can buy 69 SClass. Yes, the Mercedes Maybach SClass, which comes around 2.5 to 3 crore. So you can buy 69. And talking about the Tesla is coming to India, but the introductory price is up to something around 70 lakhs, but we'll consider as 1 crore as one Tesla. So you can buy up to 200 Teslas and leaving 8 crore extra. So this is the thing. This is very unbelievable or something different. Now let's talk about the mass production cars which are available from 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs. Let's consider Tata Harrier. If you consider Tata Harrier, then you can buy up to 1000 Tata Harriers, and if you do the lineup of all 1000 cars, then the range goes up to 5 kilometer. So this is insane. And let's consider the Alto. If you consider Alto, then you can buy up to 4000 Altos, and if you do the lineup of all 4000 Altos, it will go around 15 kilometer. Can you imagine 15 kilometer straight line of all the cars? So this is insane. So this is what you get at 208 crore. So there is something new. So now you see the combination of the best cars that you can buy in 208 crore. You can buy 5 Lamborghini Huracan, 5 Ford Mustang, 2 Nissan GTR, 2 BMW M8, 2 10 Harriers, 10 Tata Safari, 10 Maybach S650, 10 Audi A8L, and 10 BMW 7 Series and 20 Teslas. And if you combine the prices of all these cars which I said now, so the total cost will be 125 crore. So you have 80 crores extra. So मैं तो थक चुका हूँ इतना बोल के. So it is up to you that what you can buy extra in the 80 crores. If you have any insane idea, then do let me tell in the comments. I will surely respond. And so this was the video. I know it was a nonsense video, but if you enjoyed, hit a like, subscribe my channel, and hope to see you in my next video.